Shenyang Multifunction Water-Based Paint Construction Method. Multifunction series as the company's star product is already launched in the market. The product developed is suitable for current family environmental renovation. It is extremely popular in renovation environment. Customer can recoat as they wish based on their own design style. Multifunction series has absolute advantages. It uses water as diluting agent, odorless and environmental friendly, which say goodbye to the trouble caused by water diluting agent. It does not contain benzene nor any heavy metals, and has good adhesiveness with other based material. The product has fast drying time, easy to construct. The coating firm is dense and precise, with meticulous sense of touch and good hardness. Multifunction product had been go through more than 10,000 times of scrub resistance and can be used as anti-scratch wall coating. The high degree of hardness and dense coating firm can be used as surface decoration for wood and cast iron at home. This series of product has multiple uses using multiple base material, and with multiple functions, which offers a variety of choices. Shenyang Multifunction Paint, the love of ocean. This video is suitable for use in Shenyang Multifunction series product. We use the love of ocean product as an example. Multifunction water-based paint. Prior to construction. Material preparation. Shenyang Multifunction water-based paint. Fresh water, spatula, blade, scraper, brush, sandpaper and other assisting equipment. Disposable plastic cloth or old newspaper. This product can be used in different materials. This type of product can be used for multiple substrates, and different substrates have different construction methods. Below, we will introduce each case to you one by one. Multifunction water-based coating. Construction steps of wall painting. Substrate treatment. Remove the dust, oil, and old paint film from the substrate surface and perform polish and cleaning. Choose 240 meshes 360 meshes construction sandpaper. Brushing alkali-resistant sealing primer. Choose roller or brush. Beware not to miss any part. Do not apply the coat too thick. Wait for 4 to 6 hours to dry. First coat of multifunction water-based paint. Avoid uneven roller coating. If the coat is over thick, it may appears clouding. The construction result can be achieved using M or W methods. Wait 8 to 12 hours for drying. Second coat of multifunction water-based paint. Avoid uneven roller coating. If the coat is over thick, it may appears clouding. This will affect the final construction effect. The construction result can be achieved using M or W methods and wait 12 hours for drying. The construction above is suitable for use in temperature controlled within 5 to 35 Celsius and with relative humidity 30% to 80%. Multifunction water-based coating. Construction steps for industrial purpose. Substrate treatment. Use 240 meshes to 360 meshes and sandpaper to polish the substrate. Remove all the old coating film, rusting marks as well as dust. First coat of multifunction water paint. Avoid uneven roller coating. If the coat is over thick, it may appears clouding. This will affect the final construction effect. Uses upper and lower brushing and use thin coating method to brush it multiple times. Polishing. Use 400 meshes to 600 meshes sandpaper to polish. The polishing method should be even. Apply adequate force to avoid causing substrate layer exposure due to excessive force applied. Second coat of multifunction water paint. Avoid uneven roller coating, and don't miss any part. If the coat is over thick, it may appears clouding. This will affect the final construction effect. Uses upper and lower brushing and thin coating method to brush it multiple times. The final effect can be seen after 12 hours of drying. The above construction should be done in a controlled temperature environment of 50°C to 350°C, with relative humidity between 30% to 80%. Multiple function water-based coating. Construction steps for wood surface. Substrate treatment. Use 400 meshes to 600 meshes wood sandpaper to polish the substrate. Remove all the old coating film, oily contaminants marks to make it clean. Brushing water-based wood sealing primer. Avoid uneven roller coating, and don't miss any part. If the coat is over thick, it may cause sagging. Wait for 2 hours until dry. Polishing. Use 400 meshes to 600 meshes wood sandpaper to polish. The polish method need to be even. Apply adequate force to avoid causing substrate layer exposure and affect the result of the surface coating. First, cost of multifunction water-based paint. The coating need to be even to avoid any missing part or coating too thick which causes clouding and affect the final result. Wait for 8 to 12 hours until dry. Polishing. Use 400 meshes to 600 meshes wood sandpaper. The polish need to be even. Apply adequate force to avoid causing substrate layer exposure and affect the result of the surface coating. Second, coat of multifunction water-based paint. The coating need to be even to avoid any missing part or coating too thick which causes clouding and affect the final result. Wait for 12 hours until it reaches the final outcome. Avoid putting heavy items on the coating film within 7 days of maintenance period. Avoid using web cloth to rub on it. The above construction should be performed under a controlled temperature of 50°C to 350°C, with relative humidity within 30% to 80%. The final performance after construction. Multiple function water-based coating. Construction notes. Use for wood or density board. Must brush with water-based sealing primer to avoid substances such as polyester putty wood oil and oil paint from diffuse out and turn the surface coat yellowish, and at the same time increasing the adhesiveness. The hardness is 1H, and the cost is less expensive than water-based wood paint. It is not suitable for those furniture which has flat surface, such as tea table or dining table etc. Use for cement wall surface. Need apply with other accessories such as putty, primer. The multifunction paint can be used for only surface coating. Use for metal substrate. If using on stainless steel and galvanized pipe, the adhesiveness should be tested in advance. If there is rust on the substrate surface, it is required to remove the rust and then apply Shenyang anti-rust primer first. Not suitable for use on other substrate. For example, for all the surface of the plastic surface, asphalt surface, and bubbling surface. Please experiment the adhesiveness and the water immersion adhesiveness if you want to use on these substrates.